Okay, we are going to be doing day 3, our crunch time. Are we ready? Yes, we're ready. We're so excited. Okay, I hope this is bringing back lots of skills that we've done throughout the year. The first question, Gabe needs $800 to buy a new computer. He earned $165 this month and $215 last month. How much more does Gabe need? All right, let's look at this question. How much more does Gabe need? Do you see any keywords that tells us what we're going to ultimately do? Yeah, you got it. How much more? That means we are going to what, ladies and gentlemen? Subtract. You are exactly right. When you have how much more, that means you are going to subtract. But let's look at this. He needs $800. That's how much he's going to have to need. Well, he earned 165 and 215. Now you can tell me right now, what does that mean? And, you have $165 this month and 215 last month. What are we going to have to do to figure out how much money he has now? Well, look at that word and. That and means we are going to add. When you have and in a word problem, look hard at that because it's combining something. You're adding something. So let's add these together. 165 plus 215. Going to regroup. We have 8. We have 380. All right, ladies and gentlemen. Now, that's how much he has, but he needs 800. How much more does he need? So we're going to take that 380 and we're going to subtract 800 minus 380. We're trying to find out how much more does he need. So we have 0 minus 0, 0. We have, that's a 0. I would have marked that wrong if you had done that. 0 minus 8. Well, if I have 0 cookies, you can't take 8 away from me. So I have to bigger bottom borrow. It's got a bigger bottom. I have to go borrow from my neighbor. So he gave me. And then we have 10 minus 8, which is 2. Then 7 minus 3 is 4. So how much more does Gabe need? $420. Okay, I hope you enjoyed that computer, Gabe. All right, now I'm going to erase this real quick because I don't have much room for anything else. Okay, here we go. Which 2 points have a distance of 1/6 between them? Which 2 points? It's just not one, but you will look in your answers. There's 2 points for each question. So let's look. You have to have 1/6 between them. Well, let's look and see at this. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 1. So it's only going to be separated by 1 jump. That's it. So let's look at this. Let me erase this really quick. I know, it's a pain. I apologize. Okay. So E and F. There's only 1/6 between E and F. That works, doesn't it? Okay. What about B and D? Well, it's 1, 2. It's 2/6 between it. How about A and D? 1, 2, 3. There's 1, 2, 3 jumps between them. That's 3/6. C and F. 1, 2, 3. There's 3 jumps between them. So our answer is E and F. There's only 1/6 of that line that separates E and F. Okay, let's go to the next one. Which expression, remember the expression is just the problem without the equation, without the equal sign, without the answer. So which expression can be used to find the area of the unshaded portion below? Three things we have to really pay attention to in that problem. Yay! Expression, which we already talked about, to find the area of the unshaded portion. Now, many of you, myself included, would automatically go to that highlighted place and look and say, oh, well, it's 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's 2 times 5. But that's not what it said. It said the unshaded. It's even bold. So make sure that you're looking at the unshaded part. Now, what is the area? Well, 1, 2, 3, 3 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3 times 5, which is C. It is 15. That's the expression. It didn't want you to find the answer. It just wanted you to find the expression so you could find the answer. Okay. All right. Move on to the next one. What is the name of this shape? You have to count the sides of that polygon. It's a polygon because it's closed. It has straight lines, and it is a 2D figure. It only has length and width. It does not have depth. So let's look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It has 8 sides. Think about that. What is the name of that polygon? Octagon. Very good. Octa means 8. Penta means 5, like the Pentagon in Washington, D.C. It holds 5 branches of the military. Penta means 5. Hexa means 6. Okay. Triangle means 3. Tri means 3. All right. Here we go. Sorry. Here we go. 7 times 6 is 42. 36 divided by 4. Change it to a multiplication problem. 4 times what equals 36? 36 divided by 4 is 9 because 9 times 4 equals 36. Use your fact families to help you. 4 times 6, my favorite product in the whole world, is 24. 28 divided by 4. Well, 4 times what equals 28? 4 times 7. So 28 divided by 4 equals 7. 12 divided by 6 equals 6 times what equals 12? 6 times 2. All right, ladies and gentlemen, you need to do the quiz after this. Thank you so much.